Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Equifax for identity and credit report access easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Equifax website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once on the home page, look for the login button. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see a field to enter your username. If you do not have an account, look for the option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account if needed. In the username field, enter your registered username. Next, locate the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you've entered your username and password, double-check for accuracy. When you are ready, click the Login button. After a moment, you should be logged into your Equifax account. From there, you can access your identity and credit report. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. You may also want to clear your browser's cache and cookies. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Equifax customer support for help. Now you are ready to navigate your credit report and identity access features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.